Okay, everyone, wake up. This is. I'm gonna ask you to pay real close attention to the following life-changing message. Something really big is happening you do not want to miss. Something that is here for the first time ever. A whole new way of making money online is here to stay. Introducing Global One. Now, also known as Ultimate Power Profits, or the websites iGo Shopping Mall, iGo Global Travel, and a software program called Elements of Wealth, and many other commercial websites to come. So Global One is a company invented by a very successful businessman and humanitarian called Scotty Evans. It already now has 600,000 members and is the 650th most visited websites in the world according to Alexa ranking, and there are billions of websites. It's only there for 4 months now without any advertising, just by word of mouth. So thank God for social media. It's the biggest website launch ever, and it's breaking all the records and breaking all the rules. It's growing faster than Facebook, YouTube or Twitter combined, and it is growing larger than Tupperware or Amway all together. Now, that's of course with all due respect. I mean, it's thanks to those pioneers that Global One can exist. So when you are a successful member of these organizations, Amway, Tupperware and other network organizations, why don't you join us as well? And stretch yet again. That's real entrepreneurship. Become one of the first serial networking entrepreneurs. I'd say get off the cross. In these times we simply need the wood. Now Global One is no MLM, no pyramid crap or no Ponzi scheme. Everyone is on one line and in one team. No more up or down line structures. Everyone gets paid equally. With 3 unique rotating payout software systems, one of which is patent pending. They're called Spinfinity, Global One Bonus Pool and Infinity. You are paid cash with or without your own network, with or without buying or selling. Nothing illegal, nothing immoral, just very clever. It's fully licensed and compliant to the worldwide trading laws, fully recognizable for and by the general public, and I'll explain why, and it's working together with multi-billion-dollar conglomerates, the very big names. That's why people recognize it. So it's working with the huge big names on a commission basis. No more MLM, no pyramid crap or no Ponzi scheme. A dream opportunity come true. Do I have your attention and are you with me this far? Okay, I'll calm down and I will explain. Now, Global One is a new company that launches websites like iGo Shopping Mall, iGo Global Travel and a software program called Elements of Wealth. And there's many other websites to come. Global One is a network organization connected with billion-dollar revenue organizations such as, and now have a seat because it's getting better, names like Macy's, Sears, Bloomingdale's, Walmart, Oakley's, Best Buy, Kmart, Nordstrom, Target, The Gap, Staples, etc. etc. Your regular stores, you do recognize them. So, of those stores, we can now earn part of the revenue, as if you were a shareholder. That's right, they let you in their profits. The money game is over. Equal playing field and equal paying field. You do now have the power, and listen very closely, you do now have the power to be just as big as them. I'll repeat that 2 times more. To be just as big as them. You have the power now to be just as big as those huge stores. You got it. Just as big as them, just by referring others to the websites. Your websites this time. Just like you do anyhow and always have done anyways. Scotty Evans has got them by the short and curlies, and they darn well know it too. I repeat, just as big as them, just by referring others to our own websites, paying us commissions via your own website this time. It's that simple. Isn't life wonderful? And again, and then I keep quiet, thank God for social media. Once more, revenue shares of stores with names like Macy's, Sears, Bloomingdale's, Walmart, Oakley's, Best Buy, Kmart, Nordstrom, Target, The Gap, Staples, etc., etc., etc. You now have a cut in. 7,000 plus top brand name retail stores, a real cash cut in billions of dollar retailers with a percentage going directly to a good cause which is called saving lives. The one and only reason why we should really join this organization. Saving lives, a humanitarian organization making sure people get clean drinkable water, food and energy, all with super advanced bio inventions. Big huge stores and us all working equally together. For the first time ever. Now helping you and everyone for the hard times ahead, while saving lives. Shopping from home with up to 40% discount, tax-free and delivered at your front door. It's like you now are a real part owner of stores like Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Sears, Walmart, Oakley's, Best Buy, Kmart, Nordstrom, Target, The Gap, Staples, etc., etc. You got the Christmas bucks yet? Now there is more. There's also iGo Global Travel, your own travel agency, worldwide destinations, big savings and taking part in a huge market share. And there's Elements of Wealth, a real professional 1.5 financial aid software programs. It's worth $5,000 of money-making software. It's about how to go about managing and making money, teaching you to handle money, maintain your ownership of money, and invest money wisely. Financial software used by the big ones. And these websites from Global One are worth gazillions already. Now at your fingertips and many more to come. So you can pick and choose what niche you want to be in or what products you want to promote. Global One can be operated from a laptop all over the world, paying cash commissions on e-wallet via 3 shifty compensation plans, paying every 3 days, every single 3 days, 10 times a month. Now, is that crazy or is that crazy? It's a 3 times forced matrix network system with overspill, and so that means you do get commission from people you did not introduce. That's called overspill. It's like a stack of champagne glasses on a wedding. The glasses on the bottom get filled as well. Only when paid membership fee though, and that's fair enough. There are 5 membership packages. They are called Tin for $10 a month, Copper for $25 a month, Silver for $50 a month, Gold for $75 a month, and Platinum, the highest one, for $100 a month. That will get you 20% extra matching bonuses from other people's income in your organization, whether you put them there or not. The amount varies according to the membership fee you're paying. Fair enough. Now it's that simple. For $10 a month, you are an internet money-making entrepreneur, guaranteed. with 7,000 plus world-class superstores and organizations, and everything at your disposal. Now people, wake up please and smell the roses. Totally legal, totally moral, and totally new, totally never seen before. Scotty Evans has gone bonkers, mad in the head, perhaps one wave too many. With other words, he's brilliant. His Global One has paid its first commission already, and some have already earned huge commissions just by being there on time. Everyone gets date and time stamped, so make sure you and your loved ones are in. It's already estimated that Global One is going to have millions and millions of members in a short period of time. So come and join us and receive your own website where people can register on immediately. Make sure you have your own link where people can click on. 7,000 plus stores, a travel agency, Wall Street financial software, unlimited income possibilities, and more huge websites to come. This is no chicken scheisse. This is big league networking, making money online. We are looking for people with dreams, a great sense of well-being, big-hearted, and a philanthropic attitude. Do you fit that bill? Then click on the link under this video now, and then I see you on the beaches of the world.
It's 0 hours.
I am Robert Buser, team leader. As you heard, this is midnight here in Holland. We are the Global One TDM Ultimate Power Profit team. We operate worldwide, very big in the United States. We're traveling a lot as well. We are one of the first of its kind. We love to hear from you. Call us 24 hours, 7 days a week at this number 00316576, or Skype us free of charge. Skype name rob.buser, and we will see you through till the very, very end. We are one team. I'm signing off for now. See or talk to you soon. Global One is here to stay. Global One is here to pay.